You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. With a multi-bit screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit, unscrew the retaining screws on the lower casing section of the dashboard. Using a pry bar, remove the 3 plastic rivets holding the cover under the glove box by prying out the centre part. Then remove the second part of the rivet. Unscrew the plastic screws holding the exterior dashboard trim panel. Then remove the whole thing. Remove the cover. Pull out the cabin filter, which is in 2 parts. Take the tab on the second filter so that you can remove it more easily. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for the pollen, while the black ones are for the active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. There's now a new generation of filters on the market. Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Reposition the 2 filters, paying close attention to how you hold them up. Look carefully at what is indicated on the filter, which should show the airflow direction. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Put the first one in place by pushing down once it has been entered. Ensure that the tab sticks out a little, then put the second one in. Put the cover back on. Put the cover under the glove box compartment back on. Be careful to put the trim panels back in place correctly. To reinstall the rivets, insert them into the slot and finish by pressing on the centre part. Screw the plastic screw back on. Screw the screw holding the lower trim panel back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.